Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block employers to contact or message you, for example, on Indeed in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to Indeed and log into your account. And what you want to do is, guys, is click into profile icon here and select profile. Now in your profile settings, what you want to do is under that section here, click into block employers. And here you'll see the list of already blocked employers. If there are none, you will see a 0 here. And according to this information, guys, you can block up to 100 employers, not more than that. And Indeed can't also guarantee, or can't guarantee either, that your profile will always be hidden. I don't know why, but that's what they say here. So if you'd like to block an employer from contacting you, click into this button. Click into the drop-down menu and look for the employer here using that search bar, and click into save to get that to add that employer to that list of blocked contacts. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.